Well, day 2. We got some upgrades. Got a nice light. Got a table. Got a sandwich. After some conferencing on the phone with T. Kelly. And watching enough YouTube videos. Still don't know what I'm doing, but at least I got some specs to run off of trying to make one of these jalopies work. And then see if we can go putt-putt. So, what we did, took this bridge off. There's another little tab inside. There's a one on the bottom here. There's a one on the top. That's actually has it's a split leaf there as well. So that little top one has to have 5 thou between here and the top button. Then when this is down, it's got to have 30 thou between there and there. I mean, it goes to show you. I mean, I tried the multimeter thing the way they said, and I don't know. It wasn't working for me. It was kind of weird. But we're going to give it a go here. It's all hooked up. Sparky. And you got to love the wiring here, right? I mean, you know, it's all about the history. We got the Carter battery charger. All right, here we go. What's it put out? Well, more than we need, but that's okay. Oh! Come on! Yeah, look at that! Look at it! Yes! Here, time out. I'm gonna see something. There we go. We're gonna get it off the cam. Yeah, okay, cool. So, all right. And then when it's coming around, Sparky! Woo! We're gonna be putting in no time. Stay tuned. If you were on the friend list channel yesterday for the 6 horsepower Fairbanks, I said I lost this, and it was where I thought it was, on the bench at home. So this crusty old piece of cardboard. You know, if I wasn't so cheap about it, I probably should have just made another one out of the paper I have at home. But I forgot to do that too. So, too many irons in the fire. The old ladies want an outhouse too, so I gotta work on this. Apparently they're tired of peeing in the bushes down here. Which isn't so bad. I mean, I had to take an emergency shit in one of the junkyards too. So maybe it's not a bad idea. But this is priority. This is priority, right? This is, yeah. Okay. I'll put this on. I don't know, man. I'm going to try and mix some gas, I guess. I don't know what to do. I'm hoping the tank doesn't leak. You know, I mean, honestly, everything around here actually is pretty good shape. So I'm going to put some gas. I don't know. I'm just going to pour some of that lead shit in the tank, and we're going to see if it'll make it work here. And then see if it'll go boom. Funny story about silicone. One of my first times on the engine dyno, and I had a leak on my engine, and a good friend of mine, Pierre, he says, well, did you use the right stuff? And he's kind of a French Canadian, so at first I'm like, well, what's he saying, right stuff? I'm like, well, yeah, I mean, I use silicone. He's like, yeah, but did you use the right stuff? No, I'm just looking at him like he's an alien. He's like, no, you need to use the right stuff. I'm like, Pierre, what are you talking about? I'm using silicone. Well, along to my limited knowledge is the right stuff. Stuff will glue anything together. But that's also the problem, because then it doesn't come apart very easy either, but it works well. Oh, carburetor's on, trying to make sure that the accelerator pump squirter is on the right side of this gizmo. Note to self, boys and girls, when you're turning this over, do not reach down here and lift up with your bare hands, because your finger gets crushed between the governor and the flywheel. Gah! Terrible. I was like, oh, just turn it over. Meanwhile, I'm looking over here. Meanwhile, my hand over there. I'm like, ah! Yes, there's a handle, but it's kind of out of the way. Trying to make it easy on myself. Sad. End up with a crushed finger. It'll be okay. Oh, we got her full of gas. Say I don't know how this is going to go or what's going to happen here. But found an oil can and the other. So I figure we could give our piston some oil drops. Is it the right oil? I'm not sure. How much? I don't know. Don't know that either. So considering it's you believe it? There's probably a fly stuck in there. Oh, there we go. Hold on. There we go. That's gotta be some. Okay. It's terrifying. I think, apparently, to shut it off, we just hold in the intake valve. We are going to take it off compression. The other thing is, I don't know how, like, I'm pretty sure this handle's supposed to come off of here, like, when you get it going, but it looks mighty, or does he just let it whip around there? I mean, maybe, okay, hold on, let's move the antique light assembly. I wonder if he leaves it on there. Huh. Because it's kind of on there. Like, it comes on and off. You see a lot of people just start it with their hands. But, apparently you're supposed to cover the intake for 2 pumps, 2 revolutions. And then, yeah, so, you know what? I don't know. We're just going to give her, and we'll see what happens here. How's the, okay. Camera station's good. Buzz box. Whoop. How is it still on the cam? Okay. We're buzzing. Oh, boy. Oh, she got some compression. Oh boy, it had some life. Look at that. Apparently when you stuff it all the way in there, that's a bad idea. Okay, girl, come here. Let's go. Not sure. Hi, Kate. You come to see? Yeah, I was hoofing.
Yep.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He hates the words.
What did you get going?
It's kind of got a dead spot in it. I don't know if it's a mag killing it. There, it was just running for a while and then it just shut off. Huh. So it's not the buzz box dying. Interesting.
Is that? Wow. Yeah.
Straight piping.
It's popping. Mama, it's popping. Mama, it's popping.
It's popping, sweetheart. Seems to be staying alive. It's got a kick and a fart and a miss every once in a while, but do I dare hook up the belt system? My goodness, that'd be terrifying. But I'm gonna do it!